Hi everyone, this is David from STEMstar Idea Lab. Let me show you what we have. First you can see here is a circuit kit and designed by our teachers themselves. And you can understand as Arduino Ultra. And we solved the one problem. When students do their project, it is very hard to plug wires. So we redesigned the circuit, and we also designed a lot of sensors to make the students do their project more easily. And we especially redesigned the power circuit to make all the circuit more stable. And it is very important when they do their project. And use our circuit kit. One student can do their project in just 7 days, even no fundamental skills. And we can for example, one of our students designed a project for blind students to let them know what they can't see. For example, when a blind student wants to know what dog is, our students use 3D print to build a dog, and the blind student can touch it, and they can use nose to smell what dog smells like. There is a small box. When students open it, the dog smell can smell it. And also here the project have a camera. The camera can scan the QR code, and when it scans the QR code, the project will have a record to speak to tell what dog is to the blind student. So it is a very useful and kind for project. And here is our 3D printed go-kart. This is a handbook. It is very easy to assemble. Parents and students can assemble it in their home in just 1 day. And it is very cheap, only 3,000 RMB. You can get a 3D printed go-kart and assemble it at home. It is very good and very interesting. Thank you.